We are APC Young Leaders Alliance, a socio-political pressure group headquartered in Kaduna State. We are here today to formally request that the Economic and Financial Crime Commission to reopen the investigation into the corruption allegation against Bello Mohammed Matawalle, the State Minister for Defense. Many petitions were submitted at the headquarters of the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, notable one submitted by APC Akida Forum on May 3rd, 2024, and follow-up petition on September 30th, 2024, urging the Commission to proceed with its investigation. We have lauded the performance and resilience of the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC leadership, in the fight against corruption without bias many times. The Commission has shown determination and persistence in addressing corrupt officials, particularly by promptly taking actions against former Minister Peter Obi and others. We have witnessed the Commission launch an investigation into the alleged corruption of former Governor Yaya Bello of Kogi State. Last year, the Commission arrested the former Governor Darius Ishaku of Taraba State over alleged corrupt cases. If all these governors and ministers were not above the law and the EFCC, who should shield the former governor of Zamfara State, Bello Matawalle, from investigation? He is not a governor anymore. Who is stopping EFCC from doing its work? We have gathered facts and figures regarding Bello Matawalle's alleged embezzlement of billions of naira. He reportedly needs to account for over 290 billion from the FAAC FAC and 133 billion from JAAC he received from 2019 to 2023. He is also expected to explain the 105 billion loan he took during his tenure as governor of Zamfara State. These are not mere allegations or speculation. After our last visit to the commission headquarters, we thought the investigation would reopen, but nothing has happened. We are confident that the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, has access to all facts regarding financial crime in the country. Nevertheless, we feel it's necessary to determine the total funds that Zamfara State government received between 2019 and 2023 under Bello Matawalle. We are making efforts because, to our dismay, the former governor appeared on a live TV program misleading the public. He did not receive anything close to 70 billion during his 4-year tenure as a governor of Zamfara State. The fact below contradicts Bello Matawalle's statements, and the EFCC should investigate his account promptly. In this file with me here, I have evidence, figures, facts that explain in details how the transaction and everything took place within the year 2019 to 2023. According to the EFCC, the money which was sourced as a loan from an Odegel bank purportedly for the execution of projects across local government areas of the state were allegedly diverted by the governor through Pro-Exist and contractors who received payments for contracts that were not executed. The commission investigation revealed that over 100 companies have received payment from the funds with no evidence of service rendered to the state. Some of the contractors who has been invited and quizzed by the commission made certain revelation on how the governor allegedly compelled them to return funds received from the state coffers back to him through his aides after converting the same to United States dollars, hard currency, United States dollars. The companies confirmed that they did not render any service to Zamfara State. Still, they were allegedly directed to convert the monies paid to them into United States dollars, hard currency, and return them to the governor through some of his commissioners, notably those in charge of financial and local government affairs. We urge the EFCC and other financial crime agencies to investigate into this matter in order to uphold its credibility and its ability in the fight against corruption in Nigeria. Thank you. I am Mohammed Irey, the Publicity Secretary of APC Young Leaders Alliance.
This more than 10 times on this same issue.
Yes.
Do you have time
we are giving them the optimal time they can use in coming out this protest, because we've already been here times without numbers, and we know they are working on it, but we want the work to be hastened. That's what we are here for. The work should be hastened. Nobody is above the EFCC, and nobody is above Nigeria. So we believe the EFCC can do this for us and make things work. God bless Nigeria.
Thank you.